Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Firewire to Thunderbolt adapters is probably one of the most essential pieces of kit for any creative professional or audiophile looking to bridge the gap between older, high-quality Firewire audio interfaces and modern Thunderbolt-equipped Macs, ensuring your legacy gear remains compatible and functional in today's fast-paced digital landscape, and allowing you to continue using your favorite equipment without costly replacements. Number 5. Answin USB-C to Mini DisplayPort 4K at 60Hz adapter. Introducing the Answin USB-C to Mini DisplayPort adapter, your solution for connecting modern devices to Mini DisplayPort monitors. Experience seamless audio and video transmission. Crafted with a high-quality build, this adapter features 100% pure copper conductors and 24K gold-plated connectors. It's designed to resist corrosion and maximize signal strength for reliable performance. Connect your USB Type-C or Thunderbolt 3-enabled devices to 4K UHD TVs and projectors. Enjoy high-definition video and audio for an immersive home theater or gaming experience. Unlock the full potential of your display with support for 4K resolution at 60 Hz. This adapter ensures you can enjoy crisp visuals and smooth motion, provided your device supports DP Alt Mode or Thunderbolt 3. Get started instantly with plug-and-play functionality. It's compatible with a wide range of devices including the latest iPhones, MacBooks, Galaxy phones, Steam Deck, and more. Whether you need to extend your workspace or mirror your screen, this adapter offers flexible display modes. It's the perfect companion for productivity and entertainment. What we like. If you need to connect your modern USB-C devices to an older Mini DisplayPort monitor or TV, this adapter is a great choice. It offers high-resolution 4K at 60 Hz video and audio sync, making it ideal for streaming and gaming. Its rugged construction ensures longevity, so if you prioritize a reliable and high-performance connection for your compatible devices, this is the one to consider. What people say. Clear, stable 4K output with no lag. Plug and play and works right away. Great for connecting to external displays. Connected perfectly on 27-inch LED Cinema, Mini DisplayPort, monitor with M4 Mac Mini Mac OS Tahoe 26.2. Fit perfectly in any of the USB-C ports in the back. I have a Thunderbolt dock and this adapter perfectly fits with the dock's cable and a USB to SPDIF adapter I have. No purple-green tint. Highly recommend. This is a perfect match with my Apple Cinema display in 2023 MVP. While the adapter doesn't plug in all the way, it does not heat up or cause any issues. I've been able to utilize all features of the Apple Cinema display. No heat. No spark. No issues. Number 4. CABLECC Firewire 400 to 800 adapter cable 20 cm. Easily connect your existing Firewire 400 peripherals to newer computers. This adapter bridges the gap between older and newer Firewire technologies. It's designed to work with the latest computers featuring Firewire 800 ports. Connect your older devices without needing to replace them. The adapter features a 9-pin male connector for your Firewire 800 port. The other end has a 6-pin female connector for your standard Firewire 400 cable. Fully compliant with IEEE 1394 standards, this allows you to continue using your current cables. Enjoy fast data transfers up to 800 megabits per second. Connect and disconnect your Firewire devices without shutting down your computer. This 20 cm cable offers convenience and flexibility. What we like. For those still working with Firewire 400 peripherals but have a newer computer with only Firewire 800 ports, this cable is essential. It allows you to seamlessly integrate your older devices without needing to replace them. If you're looking to extend the life of your Firewire 400 equipment and ensure fast, hot-swappable data transfers, this adapter cable is the practical solution. What people say. It works perfectly for connecting my old hard drives to my new Mac. The adapter is small and unobtrusive, and it doesn't require any drivers. Number 3. Apple Thunderbolt 3 to Thunderbolt 2 adapter. Easily connect your Thunderbolt and Thunderbolt 2 external hard drives and displays to your MacBook Pro's Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, ports. This adapter works both ways. Connect your new Thunderbolt 3 devices to older Macs with Thunderbolt or Thunderbolt 2 ports. Connect Thunderbolt-enabled displays, like the Apple Thunderbolt display or LG Thunderbolt 2 displays, to your MacBook Pro. Note, the Apple Thunderbolt display requires a power source when used with this adapter. Please be aware that this adapter does not support standard DisplayPort displays, including the Apple LED Cinema display or other third-party DisplayPort and mini DisplayPort monitors. It's compatible with a variety of Mac devices, including iPad mini, iPad Pro, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, Mac Pro, and Mac mini that feature Thunderbolt ports. What we like. If you have invested in Thunderbolt or Thunderbolt 2 devices, like external drives or displays, and are upgrading to a MacBook Pro with Thunderbolt 3 ports, this adapter is a must-have. It bridges the gap, allowing your new Mac to connect to your existing high-speed peripherals. If you want to maintain compatibility with your Thunderbolt 2 ecosystem and leverage your existing Thunderbolt displays, this bidirectional adapter is the perfect fit. What people say. This adapter is a game-changer for connecting older Firewire devices to modern Thunderbolt ports. It works flawlessly with my audio interface, providing stable and high-speed data transfer. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy metal casing that feels durable. Setup was plug-and-play, requiring no drivers or software installation, which was a huge relief. I was able to daisy-chain multiple Firewire devices through this adapter without any issues. The performance is consistent, and I haven't experienced any dropouts or latency. Number 2. ELAGO Firewire 400-800 Adapter, White. Introducing the ELAGO Firewire adapter, designed to bridge the gap between your older and newer Firewire devices. It's the perfect solution for expanding your connectivity options. This adapter allows you to connect your Firewire 400 devices to a Firewire 800 port with ease. Simply plug in your standard 6-pin male FW400 cable and you're ready to go. Specifically engineered for Mac Pro, MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, and iMac users, this adapter ensures smooth integration with your Apple ecosystem. It's also compatible with all other computers. Built to IEEE 1394 compliance standards, you can trust its performance and reliability. It's a durable accessory that meets industry specifications. Enjoy your new adapter with confidence, thanks to our 1-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and functionality of our products. What we like. This adapter is designed for users who need to connect their Firewire 400 devices to computers equipped with Firewire 800 ports. It's particularly useful for Mac users with older Firewire peripherals. If you prefer a simple, compliant solution to bridge your Firewire 400 cables to a Firewire 800 port and want a straightforward connection for your Mac, this adapter offers a reliable option. What people say. The Firewire 400-800 and Apple Firewire 800 to Thunderbolt 2 arrived on time and as described in the product write-up. The Firewire 400-800 adapter is compact, and one of 3 or 4 adapters you'll need to chain together to convert DV tape to digital movie for storage on an iMac or the cloud. The entire conversion worked flawlessly with the converter. This little ELAGO adapter FW800 to 400. Then into it I stuck the old FW400 cable to the camera. I had to shove it in, but that was okay. Bingo! The newly bought Final Cut program recognized the camera without a hiccup. Everything works smoothly and nice. I have only transferred 10 minutes of stuff onto the Mac, but this little piece works just fine and the small size is a plus. This product appears to be of very decent quality. It worked flawlessly as one segment of a 4-part daisy chain to connect a 90s-era Sony digital video camera with a Firewire IEEE port to a Lenovo Yoga 730 Thunderbolt 3 port. My Corel Video Studio Ultimate recognized the digital signal immediately and downloaded my video perfectly. Number 1. DJI Drone OTG Micro USB to iPhone cable. Experience superior quality with our meticulously crafted cable. We use only the finest materials, ensuring a difference you can see and feel. This OTG cable offers universal compatibility with your DJI Spark, Mavic Mini, and Mavic Pro drones. Connect with ease and fly with confidence. Enjoy lightning-fast charging and stable data syncing with our durable 8-pin iPhone cable. It ensures high efficiency for all your devices. Specifically designed to connect your iPhone to your DJI drone, this cable provides a seamless experience for data transfer and control. We prioritize product quality and your satisfaction. If you have any questions, please reach out, and we'll provide the best possible service. What we like. If you're a drone enthusiast using DJI Spark, Mavic Mini, or Mavic Pro and need to connect your iPhone for control or data transfer, this cable is specifically designed for you. It ensures a stable and efficient connection, allowing for fast charging and data syncing. If you prioritize a high-quality, reliable cable for your DJI drone operations with your iPhone, this OTG cable is the ideal choice. What people say. This adapter is a lifesaver for connecting older Firewire devices to newer Macs with Thunderbolt ports. It works flawlessly with my audio interface, providing a stable connection and excellent sound quality. The build quality is solid, and it feels like a durable piece of equipment that will last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.